What's up, y'all? This is Alan. Got part two going of these reverse flow smokers. Getting part two done in the new shop, and the part one in the old one is kind of cool. This is just tables I'm getting cut out with this Evolution chop saw. I still got to build another table for this saw. I'm using one of my other ones, so I'm having to swap back and forth, and I really don't want to do that. I may set up some jigs for these tables soon, just so I don't have to measure them out every time. It's a good idea to have them. It's just a matter of taking the time to put them together. That little strip is just to hold the frame until the expansion's put on. Let's get the two chambers fit up. I tell you, this is a whole lot easier than what I was doing. I was still doing it the same way. It was just on that dirt, and I had to come all the way around to do it, and then go back in, and it's time consuming. Just getting cut out for the smokestack back here. Got one little piece there that's holding me up, so it's gonna come out. All right, getting these all welded out. There's a ton of welding that goes into these smokers between the two chambers and then putting the chambers together. Cutting out for the door. I got straight edges tacked on there to drag across. And even after I cut with the plasma like that, I still run that cutting blade through it. And that's just to make sure that I didn't miss anything. Sometimes you'll skip a little spot or something. And that spot would be hard to get loose if you got the lip on it already. I'm using the H2P microcut. That's what I use for pretty much everything now. I mean, this machine has been 100% legit, I'm telling you. I haven't had any problem. The one problem I had is when it locked up, and they fixed that and sent it right back. And that turned out just because I was letting too much metal dust get piled up in it. Went ahead and put the lip on, getting the door off. Here I'm getting the tables on. Kind of skipped around quite a bit, trying to get moved in here and keep going on the work and everything else. I just had to cut back on something. We're still not moved in completely. But if you're looking for a smoker, I'll leave my email in the description box, and you can shoot me an email. The two in these videos is a 30 by 18 reverse flow with the 18 by 18 vertical chamber and the extra vent set up inside the vertical to where you can use it as a vertical smoker. I think this table is the last thing on here before paint, getting cleaned up and getting it painted. So I went ahead and got them done. They're both finished up now. You have 2 racks in the horizontal chamber, 3 in the vertical chamber. Your coal basket and ash pan and firebox. And these are set up with that extra vent inside. That's a diverter plate that sits over them. Your water pan can sit on top of it. But it just allows you to use it as a vertical if you close the other chambers off. And that is pretty much it on this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and come back for the next one. Like I say, my email will be in the description box, and you can shoot me an email if you're interested in a smoker or a grill. We'll see y'all on the next one.